If you're planning to get your driver's license in Houston, here's the process broken down step by step. First, figure out which type of license you qualify for. At 15, you can apply for a learner's permit with a driver education course. After holding that for at least 6 months, drivers under 18 move on to a provisional license. If you're 18 or older, you can apply for a standard adult license. Next, complete a driver education course. In Texas, everyone under 25 must do it. And if you're over 25, it's optional but very useful. The course covers traffic laws, signs, and safe driving habits, and it prepares you for the written test. The written knowledge test is your next step. It's multiple choice and covers Texas road rules, signs, and safe driving. Reviewing the Texas Driver Handbook and taking a few practice tests is the best way to get ready. After passing the written test, you'll schedule your driving test at a DPS office in Houston. Locations like the Gessner Mega Center, North Houston, and West Houston offices all offer driving tests, but you'll want to book early since appointments fill up fast. Before the test, practice key skills like parallel parking, safe turns, lane changes, and obeying traffic signals. The test takes about 20 minutes, so focus on staying calm and showing safe driving habits. On test day, bring all required documents. That includes proof of identity, social security number, Texas residency, vehicle insurance if you're using your own car, and your driver education completion certificate. Without these, your test could be delayed. If you pass, you'll receive a temporary paper license until your official one arrives in the mail. From there, remember to follow traffic laws, practice defensive driving, and consider extra training to sharpen your skills. That's the full process for getting your license in Houston. Stay patient, prepare well, and you'll be on the road with confidence.